So one way to discover PowerShell commands is using the get help command. Another one is using another commandlet we have in PowerShell called get command. Now in a previous example we used get help to try to find commands for dealing with event logs. Let's do the same thing using get command. So I'm going to do get dash command asterisk event asterisk. And I'm going to go ahead and pipe that through more. And that's going to give me all of my commands, and we're going to see command type, the name, the version, and the source. Now the source is what module that this PowerShell command is found in. So you see all of these here are from the net event packet capture. That's not what we're looking for, so we can skip anything with that source. Here you see get event log, and that's from the Microsoft.PowerShell.management module or source. So that is coming from a completely, we group commands into related commands into modules. And so since this is coming from a completely different module, I know it doesn't have anything to do with the event packet capture. You'll also see that this one's a commandlet. This is what we looked at in our previous one. So we have found the same command. Now, the get command commandlet gives me some other really fun options. So I can do get command, and if I do get help on get event log, it'll give me the help information. If I do get command, get event log, it will show me just the information for that one commandlet. Now, because I know the source, I can now find other commands that are in the same module. So I can do get command dash module Microsoft.PowerShell management. And that will give me all the commands that are in that, if I type it correctly, all the commands that are in that module. And there's a whole bunch of them. Now, so the get command lets me look for a specific command name. We've already seen how we can filter it by module. We can also filter it by noun or by verb. So in this module, let's see what other commands we have related to the noun event log. And that'll give us clear event log, get event log, limit event log, new event log, remove event log, show event log, and write event log. So this gives us all of our commands related to that particular module or that particular noun. Now I just did that with the module. You can do it without it. So you can do get dash command noun event log. And it will give you everything from the event log. And in this case, because they're all in the same module, it's actually much easier. I can also do it based not only on noun but also on verb. So I could do get command verb get, and that'll give me every command that begins with get in all of PowerShell. Now that's way more than I want. But I can also specify it by module if I wanted to. So Microsoft PowerShell management is where we found our get event log. What other get commands do we have in this module? Well, we can, and here you see all of our other get commands. So the get command commandlet is really useful for trying to find specific commands and then find related commands. You have more parameters that you can use here. My three favorites are noun, verb, and module, because that lets me filter by module and then choose what, either the noun lets me determine which object I want to work with. The verb lets me specify which function I want to do. Get, add, new, create, whatever. If we do a get help on get dash command, let's go ahead and pipe that through more. We'll see there's a whole bunch of other things that we can do here. We can set command type. We can look for aliases, functions, filters, commandlets. At this point in your life, don't worry. They're all basically, they're different, but for our purpose, they're going to be the same. Specify the module, specify the parameter type. Notice here in our separate parameter list is where we have our verb parameter and our Noun parameter, I had to go find them. They're listed alphabetically, and I still had to go look for it. So this is one that I will use a lot when I'm trying to discover commands to do a specific task. My typical approach, if I'm trying to discover commands to do a specific task, I will run get command to try to find my commands and find my related commands to it. And then I'll run get help on those commands. You can do your searching. We just showed that with another video. You can do your searching using get help. I tend to prefer using get command. Get help will get me help topics and other things like that. Get command gets me just to the commands. And so that is the way I tend to do it. Now, that's my preference. That doesn't mean that's the way that you have to do it. You'll develop a workflow and a pattern that works well for you, and it may not be the same as what works well for me, and that's fine. The important thing is that it works well for you.